Ella. We're out here in the courtyard. It's very cold. Ella's all bundled up, venturing around.
Ella. Woo. Yes.
What were you doing today? Ella, what were you doing? She's eager to get down and running around here. Do 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 do. Lots of weird stuff around. Oh, little cough. There she goes, playing with that thing again. What is that? It's wet. You need dirty gloves now.
We take her outside to explore nature, and she's fascinated by the pond.
Yeah.
Yeah, you silly girl.
Is that funny? Yeah. Whoa, be careful. Ella, say hi. Say hi to the camera. Hi. Hi. Say hi. I think I gotta go to chapel. Okay, sweetie, though.